Japanese cars are supposed to be the safe bet, the one purchase where you can close your eyes, point at a lot, and drive away happy. But that reputation is dying. Right now, some of the most popular Japanese SUVs in America are scoring 18 out of 100 on reliability. One has an active lawsuit for an engine that dies the more carefully you drive it, and another has a transmission so bad that mechanics don't even bother fixing them. They just swap them out and wait for them to fail again. Today, we're exposing the 3 worst Japanese cars you can own right now. The Nissan Rogue, the money pit. Number 3 is a shocker because of how many people own one, the Nissan Rogue. It's consistently a top 5 best-selling SUV, but under that sleek body is a Jatco CVT transmission that is essentially a ticking time bomb. Owners report these gearboxes overheating and dropping into limp mode in the middle of highway traffic. Imagine doing 70 miles per hour and suddenly your car won't go over 25 while semis swerve around you. These fail as early as 20,000 miles. And here's the kicker. You can't rebuild them. You have to swap the whole unit for $3,000 to $9,000. Nissan already paid out $277 million in lawsuits, but the fix was a warranty that expires right before most of them explode. If it's a 2014 to 2020 model, it's not a matter of if it fails, it's when. Number 2, the Subaru Ascent, the reliability disaster. Subaru is known for being the outdoorsy, safe brand. So how did the Subaru Ascent manage to earn a reliability score of 18 out of 100? That is one of the lowest scores ever given to any car. The nightmare starts with the transmission drive chain. It slips, loses power, and eventually self-destructs. We've seen reports of brand new 2024 models failing within 12 days of leaving the lot. Some owners are on their 4th transmission before hitting 100,000 miles. Add in windshields that crack for no reason and batteries that die overnight, and you have a vehicle that has single-handedly ruined Subaru's reputation. A $10,000 repair bill is a high price to pay for a safe family SUV. Number 1. Honda CR-V 1.5-liter turbo, the untouchable failure. Number 1 is the most dangerous because everyone trusts the badge. It's the Honda CR-V, specifically the 1.5-liter turbo. This is the 3rd best-selling vehicle in the country, but it has a silent killer under the hood: fuel dilution. Gasoline slips past the piston rings and mixes with your engine oil. Instead of lubricating your engine, your oil becomes a thin, watery mess that eats your bearings and camshafts from the inside out. The crazy part? Short trips, the exact thing parents use CR-Vs for, make it worse. Honda's official fix? They told customers to drive longer distances. They are literally blaming you for their design flaw. A replacement engine costs up to $9,500. If you want a Honda, stay away from the turbo. Get the 2.0-liter base model or the hybrid, or you're just buying a very expensive paperweight.